Plant houses are a great way to propagate seedlings and grow young plants early in the season. Growing plants early in the year in any normal mini greenhouse or cold frame can often be difficult because of low light levels and limited daylight hours. Overcrowded shelves can often exacerbate this problem. The lack of light early in the year reduces photosynthesis and slows growth. Seedlings seeking light become leggy, taller, thinner and weaker, so the seedlings can easily flop over and break. They're also less resistant to changes in temperature like cold snaps and more sensitive to over or underwatering. This is where Haxnick's light boosters have a huge advantage over other mini greenhouses and cold frames. They have a silver foil back panel that reflects sunlight directly back onto your plants, increasing light levels by up to 50%. This extra light causes a significant increase in the rate of photosynthesis, making plants grow faster and stronger, reducing the time they need to be in the plant house, and thereby making way for more plants. Using a light meter to measure the amount of light in the plant house, we can see that the reflective backing generates around 450 times 100 lux, compared with around 300 without it. This represents a 50% increase, but we can also see that towards the back of the plant house, the increase can be several times greater. Light boosters maximize the available light to extend your season and allow you to start growing earlier in the year. They can help you grow an abundance of flowers, herbs, vegetables and fruit, and you can even grow some exotic plants that rely on high levels of light. The light boosters come in 3 sizes to suit different spaces. The single and double both have 3 widely spaced shelves, and the cold frame provides a generous space on just one level, ideal for seedlings, cuttings and young herbs. The frames are made from robust powder-coated tubular steel and are easy to assemble. They are best positioned against a south-facing wall or fence to ensure maximum light. The covers are made from thick, durable, UV-resistant polyester and clear PVC with tough, chunky zips for access. The front cover can be rolled up for easy watering and can be left open on warmer days. Alternatively, the side vents, which are covered with insect mesh to keep out pests, can be opened for ventilation so plants don't overheat. The plant houses can be fixed to a wall using the tube clamps and screws provided. Light boosters can be used throughout the growing season from early spring to late autumn, perfect for gardeners who want to start their season early or grow crops such as melons that need a long growing season. The easy way to increase your growing season and produce stronger, healthier plants. Another better design from Haxnick's.